What's up, guys? Video lesson here on XELA, Episode 2 of the Warrants. Last week I made a video lesson on how to search for the warrants in the SEC filings, what to look for. This episode is going to be using that information to protect yourself from taking the trade. XELA yesterday was a 200+% gainer. First green day. Daily breakout, massive volume, catalyst, everything to indicate an overnight hold, but it wasn't. So if we head over to the SEC filings, go to the quarterly report like last video, and Control F and type in warrants, we're going to get to this section here where it shows as of September 30th, 2020, there are 35 million active warrants. If we go to the next paragraph, first sentence, each warrant entitles the holder to purchase 1/2 of one share of common stock at a price of $5.75. Huge red flag. Once we get that information, we're going to go back to the daily chart. And we're going to look at September 2020. Has that price traded $5.75? And no, it has not. So this would be the first run up into those warrants. And you damn well bet that they're going to be taking off some of the warrants, as many as they can, into this push. So if we go to an intraday chart, you can see first green day had a really nice run, closed at its highs. But this yellow support line here is a take profits for those warrants. Anything above this, they can exercise any of those warrants, and I bet you they did. You can see here, pre-market, bidder stepped up, bounced it, again, stepped up, and it bounced. And you can tell on every one of those pops, they're selling into these warrants. And then you get the open price here, crazy volume selling, warrants are getting exercised. What do you get in result? Massive fade, failed support, resistance holds, massive fade, sideways price action. That's not too much of an attractive trade. So again, quick recap, quarterly report, Control F, warrants, and read. This is the boring part of trading, but it will save you a ton. Put it in your trading. So this is episode 2 in the series of SEC filings, and I'm going to move on from warrants. We've pretty much gone over everything we can when it comes to this. Next episode probably be at the market offerings or convertible shares. I haven't decided yet. So we're moving on. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Please like the video if you did learn something, and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.